Hey guys, it's Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. Let's go over your S&P 500 daily recap. Today was a very interesting one. We came in this morning. We opened at 1,375, and we saw some selling pressure, a good amount of selling pressure, down to 1296 was the low today. 1296. So we took out a bunch of lows over here. Maybe trying to shake out some weak hands of these longs. I've been long equity options, equity stocks, in individual specific stocks, and even when the market was down a lot today, these stocks that I was long, MWW, FTR, KWK, we're not down that much. Let's look at the futures recap. I talked about it getting down to maybe this 1289 level. Like I talk about on these days that I always try to be a buyer on dips. I don't want to sell rallies. I don't come in long. I just want to be a buyer on dips. Talk about it a lot. We opened up here. We still got some selling pressure. Support 3. All the blue areas are going to be levels for today, and the lines are going to be levels for tomorrow. So we got a double bottom down here at 1296. I actually got long it right here on the close of here, 1298.5. Had a stop at 1295, and it kept me in the trade all day. I took out partial positions over here, and then much higher, and then I took some off at the close. So I was in the trade all day. Talk about these double bottoms. 80% of the time, we get the higher low within the first hour, and we did it again. We saw a huge selling pressure. And then once we rallied into the European closes, up all the way from there. Halfway through, we got a good report. And then we rallied, and we weren't down that much. I keep talking about buying pressure. All these tails on the bottom. This is 3 straight down days. But look where the market is. It closed at 1309. We opened up at the beginning of the year at 1254. So still a strong month. We have tomorrow. End of the month, might see some buying pressure. Then February 1st will be the end of next month. We might see buying pressure there. So I continue to be a buyer on dips, and it's working out very well. Key levels I'm looking at for tomorrow is the black level, the always important 1300 level. This is very significant from a point of view. When we saw selling pressure under it, we got a huge smackdown, and we went above it. We got some buying pressure, 1300, big level. The high of today, 1310. That's going to be another critical level for tomorrow. Also levels I'm going to be looking at tomorrow is this blue line, which is the 1303 half, which is the point of control. And we have the floor pivot at 1305. So these are all critical levels. I go back to the daily chart, and I think we can still get higher. Let's pull up the weekly, actually. I think we can get to this high. We can take out this high. And then I think we can go higher. We go to the monthly chart. I could think my target's still around 1350, 1360. Buying pressure on all these dips. But remember, if you want to get all the levels, resistance, support, point of control, you have to go to KeenOnTheMarket.com. We have all our support and resistance level, low and high of the day, opening, closing, Fibonacci's level, moving averages. KeenOnTheMarket.com has all your key levels. This is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. I continue to be a buyer of dips. I am a profitable futures trader. Have a good night, and we'll touch base tomorrow.